I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip and opening Google Photos. Make sure the app is updated so the stabilizer is available. Next, find the video in Library or Albums, select it. Once the video is open, tap Edit to reveal the editing tools. This is where stabilization lives. You want to begin now, not later, because starting from the correct clip avoids rework. Make sure the clip length is what you intend, since trimming after stabilizing can change the result. You choose Stabilize from the Edit toolbar and tap to begin processing. The app analyzes motion to reduce shake. Once done, immediately watch the preview and toggle stabilization on and off to compare the smooth version versus the original. If subjects are cropped or zoomed, adjust framing or use the crop tool to recover composition. Keep an eye on image quality. Heavy stabilization can soften detail, so make iterative changes and preview again until balance between stability and clarity feels right. You finish by saving a copy or overriding the original. Choose Save Copy if you want the original untouched. Then export in original resolution when available to preserve quality. If you notice warping, odd artifacts, or excessive crop, make one key adjustment. Reduce stabilization strength or trim problematic sections and rerun stabilization. If issues persist, re-import the video from the original source and try again. Sometimes converting to a widely supported codec first helps. That troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.